Hey, what's up there crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing tumbler holder for customizing all your custom cups, your custom tumblers with our Color Spark vinyl or different heat transfer vinyls with the Bling Anything material with rhinestones. It's going to be freaking amazing. It's going to be under $6 in cost to make this awesome tumbler holder. So do you do currently things like this right here? Check it out. Our Color Spark vinyl completely wrapped with one of our templates from the rhinestoneworld.com. Then we wrapped it in our vinyl shield to make it dishwasher safe on one of the Strata cups. Pretty awesome looking design, right? Used one of our monogram fonts. Or even a basic one like this right here with our Color Spark Unicorn Craft Vinyl, matte black vinyl behind it, again on one of the Strata cups here. Or even full rhinestone wrap designs. And we have templates for this on the website as well as SVG downloads to use with your Cricut, with your Cameo, with your GraphTech, with your Roland. But the whole point of this video is to show you how to make an awesome looking holder like this right here. Check this thing out. Just PVC pipes, pool noodle, under $6 in cost to make this one. Threw some little stilts on the end of it, little rubber chair holders to make sure it doesn't slide around when you're working on your awesome creations, so it sits it at an angle so it's nice and easy for you to see. Pretty freaking awesome, right? So let's go ahead and make this thing. And I'm gonna show you all the supplies. We're gonna put it together right here. We'll throw a decal on a cup and show you how easy it is when you have this custom built tumbler holder to make your life easier. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing made. So everything we need, we got our rubber chair tips that are gonna go on the end of the 1/2-inch PVC pipe. Then we have our 2 triple pieces here. We have our 2 elbows here. We have our pool noodle, and then I just have a PVC cutter as well. So first thing we want to do is we're going to cut the PVC pipe, and I'm going to need 2 12-inch pieces of PVC, and then I'm going to need 4 3-inch pieces. So I'm just going to mark those with my Sharpie here. All right, so now that we have those marked, let's go ahead and cut them. All right, so we have all of those cut. Now we're gonna cut our pool noodle at 11 inches. Now, the nice thing about these PVC pipe cutters, it fits this pool noodle perfect to get a nice clean cut. All right, so we now have all of our supplies ready to go, so let's go ahead and put this baby together. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw an elbow on the bottom here. Just make sure you tighten them up pretty good. Throw an elbow on the bottom here. We're gonna throw one of our 3-inch pieces along this side. Connect those. And now we're gonna throw the pool noodles on. Good to go there. Everything's lining up perfectly. Now, with this piece here, I want one of them facing down, one of them facing in. And same thing on this one here. One facing down, one facing in. Make sure to get it pushed in all the way so they line up good. Our other 3-inch piece, good to go there. Drop both of these on the end here, and then we're gonna throw our little chair end pieces on. And we're done. That's it. How freaking perfect is that? And you can adjust it. If it's off a little bit, you can just adjust it there so it sits even. so it doesn't wobble at all. And now when we're ready to customize a cup, tumbler, whatever it is, it'll sit in there perfectly and sit at an angle for you to be able to customize it. Even if you're doing a full rhinestone design like the one I showed you a little bit ago, it'll just sit in there perfect at an angle, even if you're hand placing stones one by one, or if you're doing a vinyl wrap, you can wrap around as well. So now I'm going to show you with one of our cups here how awesome this is to customize. So you can see when it's sitting here, it's facing at you a little bit so you have a better angle to be able to see everything. We have our decal right here with our Color Spark vinyl, and this is our unicorn color with a matte black behind it. And then to get this lined up, I'm just going to go top of the name down, drop this onto the cup here, go over it with my hand here. Once I feel like that's on pretty good, we're going to remove our application tape. And check that out. We have a finished custom mug. Alright, so that's it. Pretty freaking easy, pretty inexpensive, and pretty freaking awesome, right? So you just made your own tumbler holder that's not going to shift around because we put those rubber table pieces on it as well. Under $6, which is awesome, but the way we were able to do this cup so easy with our Color Spark unicorn vinyl, we have a bunch of different colors of this Color Spark vinyl on our website, of course, at therhinestoneworld.com. The cup that I used here is the Strata cup, which is an awesome cup. They come in different colors. I will put the links to, obviously, the Color Spark vinyl in the description below. I'll put the links to these different cups that you can see in the description below as well. And of course, all the different items that I needed to make our tumbler holder here. So don't go out, spend a lot of money on something like this. You can make it for under $6, and the supplies that I got was actually enough to make 2 of them. So that's basically, I spent $12 in supplies and I had enough to make 2 of these tumbler holders. But hopefully, again, this video helped you out. That's the whole goal of our YouTube channel and creating all these videos. So if this video can help someone maybe that you know, somebody else in the business that does tumblers, please share it with them, spread the word. All I'm trying to do is help you save money so you can make more money. Check out the website at therhinestoneworld.com for all of our supplies and everything you need to make your awesome custom products. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure to click the like button if you like this video, and comment below. Let me know if you like this tumbler holder and the way that I designed it here with the angle to make it a little bit easier to align everything and just make it a little bit easier for you to see. So appreciate you watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Later, crew.